Hello friends! The kids are roaming around catching fireflies and we're just hanging out. I'm going to show you some projects we have had to do since moving in, and it has hurt our pocket, but in the long run it'll keep us comfortable for a while and help us maintain the house easier. So I'll get right into it. I wish I had some before, but this had shrubs everywhere, and there was ivies all down this wall of the house, and so they cleared out the ivies. We kept some of the little bushes on this side. I'm letting my plants die. I need to water things. It has not rained. Spider-Man is out here catching fireflies, and he also got a boo-boo. That wasn't fun, was it?
It stings.
It stings. Whoa.
Got it.
And we also had poison oak and poison ivy in this. Our plans are to mulch, or like tarp and then mulch everything down. I would do flower beds, but we're so shaded like our house before. So we got this little pathway right here. I'm just wanting to make it pretty. Oh, let me explain this little eyesore. We hired a plumber to come out. I'm not gonna get into this story, but a plumber had to come out and they couldn't find our tank. And so they dug a hole back here, right back there. My phone. But anyways, they dug a hole back there. This is our little patio. The kids like to water the plants and just leave it. But anyways, I'm trying to revive my potted plants, but they helped us with the ivies and shrubs on this side. But yeah, the plumber, he couldn't find it, and then he found it, and now I'm waiting for him to come back and fill back in this hole. I would do it, and I can do it, but for what he charged me, I'm gonna let him do it. Anyways, I'm being nice. I'm not gonna show the inside of the house right now. I kind of want to talk to my husband before I do anything like that, just because it's his house too, and it's kind of invasive if he doesn't want me to do it. And so, I don't know, it's our little place, so I will ask him first, but I don't mind keeping you guys in the loop of our projects. And I want to show you our sunroom later on, but I'm out here with the kids and I don't want to fight to drag them inside. I do want to show you guys one more thing. Right back here at our sunroom area, which is where I wake up and stay a lot of the day, because I do laundry in there and the kitchen's right beside of there. But I love this area. I have filled up these hummingbird feeders like 2 or 3 times. They probably need a little bit more sugar. It was the first time I had made it and it didn't look cloudy like how she had left it. But yeah, I put the hummingbirds on a diet. But also we started on the yard with the push mower and it needs more gas. And so we're slowly but surely working on this little house of ours, and we're very proud of the accomplishments. We're trying to just be really humble about it and take care of what God has given us. And we thank you for coming along on our journey. Like I said, I don't know if I'll be sharing the inside of our home, just because I may just share bits and pieces, not really like the bedrooms or the private areas, but I'm really proud of it, but I don't want to get a big head about it. But God has really blessed us. Anyways, I will see you guys later. Bye! JJ wants to show you guys something really quick that he loves about his new yard. Whoa!
House, the pink. House.